Okay, move on to the class. Today, let's paint. See, till now, whatever we did, we worked through Windows only. From hereafter, we may go through Linux based. See, architecture is very common, but implementation is somewhat different. If you want to work with, see, my intention is I want to install Jenkins. Observe here. First of all, what I am doing is someone is trying to join. Uday Kiran. Kiran, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good. Now see what I am doing is this is assume AWS cloud. This is the AWS. Till now, if you don't know, just within 1 minute, I'll try to open it. This is AWS cloud. Nowadays, cloud is very popular. Through internet, whatever you want to do, you can do. Without internet, we can't work cloud. Cloud means virtual access. See, on top of AWS cloud, we're installing one virtual machine. This is the virtual machine. Our machine name is EC2. This is the EC2. Elastic Compute Cloud. Elastic Compute Cloud. They are installing EC2 with Linux based. Linux. Our intention is we need to install Jenkins on top of Linux. This is nothing but Jenkins. Here we are installing Jenkins. This is the Jenkins. Within the Jenkins, I need to create this is the job 1, job 2, job 3 like that. Job 1, job 2, job 3. This is today our agenda. First, what I need to do, I want to enter into AWS Cloud. AWS Cloud. Everybody must have an account. If there is no account, I'll tell you how to create it. If already having, no problem. See, I'm trying to enter into my AWS account. See, I'm going to open one browser tab. There I'm entering new tab. There aws.amazon.com/console. Just enter. It may provide sign into the console. Sign into the console. There it is expecting my username and password. There I'm using my username means my email ID. Then it is expecting my password. I think everybody know how to enter into this. Just like your Google email ID, Google password. After this, see here already some resources are there. Don't worry about it. Here I'm search is there. There you type EC2. EC2. See virtual servers in the cloud. I need to create one EC2 mission. That means virtual. Now we are using physical computer is our laptop. In the similar way, we are trying to create our virtual mission. I think someone is trying to join or joined. Yes, sir. Okay, so now see here my intention is I want to create a launch instance. I want to launch instance. Why I need to launch an instance? Because of I want to install my Jenkins server on the Linux machine. Launch instance, click here. It is expecting something. Name is here my intention is I am giving Jenkins Jenkins server. I'm giving the name Jenkins server for November batch. Jenkins server for November batch. See here so many types of here is flavors are there. That is the Amazon Linux, Mac OS, Ubuntu, Windows, Red Hat. In future we'll see even different operating system names. Here our intention is industry majority of the times working with either Linux or Ubuntu. Linux or Ubuntu. In the maybe if you are working with master slave architecture, I may go with one Linux, one Ubuntu, one Windows. There I'm selecting Linux. They're free tier eligible. This is the I'm not going with pre-tier eligible. I'm going with the T2 medium. I'm going with the T2 medium. Where is the T2 medium? Okay. There leave the here T2 micro is there. I am trying to select T2 medium. Why I am selecting T2 medium means see in T2 micro one core CPU 1 GB RAM is there. In our future classes this is not sufficient. For that I am trying to go with T2 medium. See if we move there T2 medium 2 core CPU 4 GB memory. This is paid service. Here T2 micro is free, no need to pay anything. But if you are selecting T2 medium, per hour 20 rupees you need to pay. For me as a faculty, I need this. For you as a learner, no need to go with the T2 medium, just you go with the T2 micro only. Just you go with the T2 micro only. I am going with the T2 medium. In future, I won't get any problem. That's why I am taking this one. Here is the key pair. The name is your wish. Create a new key pair. I'm giving this is the Linux for November. I'm giving the key name. Just private key, public key, the names are there. That is the RSA, Privast Shamir Adelman. They developed key specification. There it will create private key. Just like a lock is there, key is there. In the same way, one key got created. That is the private enhanced mail. Without key, we can't work with, we can't enter into instance. Even we can't work with. Their network settings leave it. Maybe in AWS, I will clarify those things. If you know, select existing security group. Here, if facility is there, in my system already there, some security groups. In future, we'll discuss. In future, we'll discuss. Here, just there ALB application load. One security group just I got selected. Don't bother about this. Just our intention is we need one instance. One instance. I'll clarify what is instance, what it may contain, what it may. Instance just within seconds, see, one instance got created. The name is Jenkins server for November. Now check it here. It is in pending. Within 3 to 4 seconds, automatically it is moving to running. Even see it here, pending to running automatically it may move. I may refresh it. See, pending to run. If you are if you want to install even a physical machine for downloading, it may take 20 minutes for Linux server. After that, for installing, it may take 20 minutes. It may take lot of time, but here everything will be created within 1 minute. Within 1 minute, see, server is ready. Our intention is we want to connect to this server. How to connect to this server? See, click on here on top of id. There, click on connect. Click on connect. SSH, secure shell client. Secure shell client. Click on here. Just here, we're having example SSH hyphen I. This is the PEM file. This is the easy to user, our username. This is our IP address. This is our, this is our, just like DNS name, DNS path. Just copy this. Just in your system, already installed bash, right? Just Windows key. Why I'm clicking Windows key? Within the downloads, our PEM file got downloaded. Just now we created one key name, right? See, wherever key is there, there only you need to right click. You need to right click, show more, just git bash here. Just right click, paste it over here, just enter it. It is expecting, do you want to connect? Even fingerprint means just acceptance. There is no need to give fingerprint, just give yes, confirmation. It is connected. If everything is fine for us, it is connected. Suppose same thing I may do in other way. For example, some people may, what they may do, they may right click on the desktop. Generally, for git bash you may work on desktop, right? Many times right click, show more, just see git bash. There on the desktop, here I am right clicking, paste it here also. Again it may ask, see, permission denied. Why it is giving like that? Even check it here. Even check, no such file or directory, no such file. Which file is not there? their private key. Linux for November dot pem not accessible because of there is no such file in the desktop. That's what I am closing here. Where I want to go, wherever your pem file is there. Suppose I may copy and paste it pem file here for your clarity. Windows key. I am going to downloads. I may copy this one, copy it, copy, just paste it over here, paste it over here. Now I pasted. After pasting, right click, show more, git bash here. Just now I'm trying to apply. I think I didn't select right. Now where I want to go, here, this one, copy this. I'm pasting over here within the desktop. Now check it, it may work for. Is it connected or not? Yes, it is connected. After connecting this, if you want to install anything, the best practice is you need to enter into sudo -i. That is the root permissions. You must be in root mode. You must be in root full access. That is the administrative access. Administrative access. See Control L or CLE are clear. In Windows, CLS, C Windows key or CMD, the prompt you want to CLS. In the same way, in Linux, if you use here CLER, it won't work. See, in the same way, here if I use just CLS, won't work. Only you need to do CLR here, there you need to do CLS. Now our intention is we need to install Jenkins. Before installing Jenkins, you need to apply two commands. Here nowadays the already this is working. Yum update. Yum update. This will auto update is happen. Yum upgrade. Yum upgrade. Auto upgrade is also there. Yum upgrade. This is also internally happening. But if you want to work with Ubuntu, you must use yum update. You must use yum upgrade. Okay, these two are general commands. I am using Control L once again. Now I want to install Jenkins server. I want to install Jenkins server. See, if you want to work with Jenkins, just go to new tab. There you try to enter here is jenkins.io. Jenkins.io, just enter. Once you enter jenkins.io, jenkins.io, where is that? Or install Jenkins. Not getting. Click on downloads. Click on downloads. Yeah, here. Now check it here. Click on downloads. Within the downloads. Now check it where you want to install. Red Hat, see Fedora, Alma, Rocky, CentOS. See, Ubuntu Debian is different. These are all Linux flavors. These are all Linux flavors. See, even left side is there, right side is there. This is the 426. This is also 436. This is the stable version. This is the stable version. In stable version, there I am clicking here. Even any other name is there, select that one. Our intention is we want to install Linux. There I am clicking here. Just click once here. There, Jenkins Red Hat package. You want to install Jenkins on based on Red Hat. Wherever M is there, M command is there means see very simple concept. You need to remember like this. Here M is the package manager. M is the package manager. M is the package manager for Linux. APT, one more one. APT is the package manager for Ubuntu. Ubuntu. I hope you understood. M or APT. Maybe up to 3 months, majority of the times, either you may use M or you may use APT mode. Even I may deal nearly 5 plus tools. On 5 plus tools, 90% areas I may use either M or we may use APT. Now I hope a little bit clarity. Here sudo double you get. Sudo means super user. Now try to understand here little bit clarity. Just already Linux, Linux you completed. Sudo, in Linux, right? Have you already many people know sudo stands for? Anyone respond? Super, super user, super user do. Super user do is nothing but sudo. With the pseudo permission, in our scenario they given sudo w get. What does it mean? Web get. Web get through internet you are downloading is nothing but web get. This is a sudo web get. This is one URL. Just copy this one. Just copy as it is. In the same way, second one, RPM, Red Hat Package Manager. Red Hat Package Manager. Remaining thing, leave it. This is the URL, just URL. Just you are copying these two lines, copy it. Just installation is very easy, very simple. Maybe multiple ways to install, but this is one of the simplest way. Now check it. There is no error. Two two options are installed. That means URL one, URL two. Again you are going to here, there. See, use this repository, run the following command. You know the word repository already, just like Git repository, just like Git repository. Okay. Now yum install, see font config. This is the for Java purpose. See, already I explained. If you want to work with Jenkins, which is mandatory, Jenkins. See, without Java, we can't work with Jenkins. We can't work with Jenkins. See, Jenkins based on based on Java only. If no Java, no Jenkins. That's why m install Jenkins. First install JDK. Without JDK, you try for m install Jenkins. It may install, but it won't work. For that, first I am copying one by one. Then only you can get the clarity. There, paste it. Enter. See, no match for argument. Java 17 for error unable to. Maybe I may install their Java I am using. See, it may work. Even though they provided, sometimes command may not work. You may try to little bit changes. Automatically it may work. Automatically it may work. Okay. Next command. What is the next command? See, install Jenkins. Install Jenkins. Copy it. Everything is available on the internet. No need to give the documentation. For that, I am giving clarity. Even Markondas are 90%, they may give documentation. But you people, you may follow same document. My intention is not like that because of every day keep on changing. They are doing changes, right? That changes you want to find. You may go through that through internet based only. Industry also following same strategy.
Gara insan చేశారు అనుకో
Please mute it. Or if you want to interact with me, hello.
Gara insan చేశారా
Who is talking there? Just check it.
దాంట్లో జావా 17 ఇన్స్టాల్ చేశారా ఇప్పుడు?
Yes, I installed Java. Install Java, right? Just I entered. I'll try to show you that command. See, up arrow, up arrow. See, install Java.
ఓకే. ఓకే. ఓకే.
Even
ఓకే. థాంక్ యూ.
actually, they given this command. They install front config something they given. Maybe a 1 month back, maybe 1 week back. It may working. No problem. But if it is not working, we are going with general command install Java. If second time if install it, already what it may say, nothing to do because of dependencies resolved means everything is fine. You know the The word idempotent. How many of you know the word meaning of idempotent? If already installed, it won't touch that. Even if it takes shell script, you know the word shell script, right? Sudo va, for example, I am going for you. Sudo va test.sh, for example. I am giving date command. Try to understand. Date, after that calendar command. Only two commands I written. You know this, right? Even you know echo also. Many people know echo. Welcome to Jenkins. Welcome to Jenkins. I written like this. Just escape. Shift colon X. Suppose I want to run this. I want dot slash. Just I go for test.sh. See what it is saying. Anything goes wrong? I written properly, right? Okay, I go for bash bash dot slash. I written test.sh. See, these two are executed, right? See, if I run once again, this keep on executing. This is the script. Are you agree with me? But if it is IDM potent, if it is one time is executed, second time it won't work. But here our intention is we need to execute multiple times. Why keep on running? Keep on running. But the representation of IDM potent means once it is installed, no need to touch that because of already existing. Internally they developed like that. If already installed, it won't reinstall. It won't overwrite. Very simple way. If you overwrite, something may problem arises, right? Maybe somebody may running internally. Maybe not only you, multiple people may work with that interfaces. I hope you got the clarity. Now just I am going to where I am in this one, right? I think till now Jenkins is installed. How do you know really Jenkins is installed? How do you know Jenkins is installed? Very simple way. This is the interview command. Interview command. Just RPM hyphen AQ RPM hyphen AQ. Which one you install? Just grep grep Jenkins. Now check it. Everybody understood, right? Jenkins. This is the tool got installed. Okay, it is available. It is available. You need to know Jenkins is running or not. How can you know? System CTL status Jenkins. Now check it. Jenkins is inactive. Inactive means dead. Inactive means dead. You need to convert it into active. First, what you need to do? You must enable. You must enable. Once you enable, you may be start or restart. That is your wish. Either may start or maybe restart. Restart. Whatever it is, that is your wish. After restarting, now check it here. Just it is in dead state, right? Inactive state. It is taking time for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, you may get the prompt. After getting the prompt, you need to check the status. You need to check the status. We must wait up to completion of that. Yes. Now what I am doing is see systemctl status Jenkins. Now everybody observe somewhere running. Where is running? Check it somewhere here. Have I identified or not? Anyone respond? Active, active. Now the service is running. Service is running. I think many people know Windows key are services.ms. Why I am comparing means you can easily remember. There somewhere Jenkins is there. See what it is happening here. Everybody understand? Try to understand what it is going here. What it is going here? Running. If it is running, I am going to browser tab. I am going to browser tab. There I am using localhost. Localhost. We know, in my system, what is the which one Jenkins path? What is the Jenkins path? This one dashboard Jenkins localhost 8888. I am using 8888 double eight double eight. Now just entering double eight double eight. I given only triple eight. One more eight. Now check it here. Is it starting or not? Suppose I am trying to stop here. I am trying to stop here. I stopped my Jenkins. I stopped my Jenkins. Again, I may reload it. I may reload it. What happens? Observe and tell me. what happens? Yeah, everybody, this site can't be reached. Is it clear for you? In the same way, here what I did, I started my Jenkins server queue. Whenever you get like that, you must apply queue. What is the command I use? What is the command I use? No need to give restart. Start is also good. Now I am stopping. Now I am stopping. STOP stop. Once it is stopped, again you need to go for status. Check it here. Again it is going to dead. See, Jenkins is stopped. Jenkins is stopped. Here you see active, inactive, dead state. Active, inactive, dead state. I hope you got it. Here, whenever it is showing end, simply you can give Q. Q. Q means quit. Q means quit. Okay, good. Now again I need to start. You know what is the command? System ctl start Jenkins. Any spelling mistake? System system ctl start Jenkins. Now it is starting. Because of server may take minimum 10 seconds to 30 seconds. How can you know? It is started here. We are viewing status also. Everything is fine for us. After that, after that, how we can how we can see on the browser, how we can access. If you want to access it, you need to go to AWS. You need to go to AWS. Here AWS is there. Now see the server ID, click on server ID. Their public IPv4 address. Don't go with private address. You must go with public IP. Take the public IP. In Windows space localhost, right? In Windows space also we can run on three ways. I think many people know in run on three ways. Here I am going to open new tab. There I am pasting my public IP. Public IP. There I am typing 8080 because of default Jenkins port number is 8080. Now check it here. You got this one. Once you got this one, you copy this one. Just you try to copy this. Password is there within the console. Password is there. Copy this. You need to extract. Just connect it to Jenkins server. There we are having cat. Already you know cat command, right? Which purpose we can use cat command? Anyone respond? Cat command we can use multiple ways. At least one or two ways. Tell me anyone. Cat command is useful for,
To open a file,
yeah, cat for open a file. Good. Open in the sense
cat,
view the content, right? View the content. That is your wish, I think. Got it or not?
yes,
Content.
sir. Cat greater than
Good.
file name,
Cat greater than is okay. Cat double greater than is
cat
okay.
double cat than
Cat less than is okay. And now tell me these three purposes. Anyone? What is the use of single greater
cat
than? Yeah, tell me.
greater than to save the file,
To save the file.
to give the contents,
Okay.
to write.
Okay. I may give technical answer. I may give technical answer. Please, if anybody having doubt, please try to interact. See, output redirection, and overwrite is the technical meaning. Output redirection with override. I may go with meaningful with override. Anybody facing difficulty here? What does it mean in the sense? What does cat greater than abc.txt? Suppose I written welcome. This is good. The second time, cat greater than again abc.txt. If I give abc, what is the content our abc may contain? Anyone respond? What is the content our abc may contain? Welcome or abc, or maybe welcome and abc? Please respond. See, I used cat greater than abc.txt. This is the file name. This file can hold which content? Welcome. Very first time. Second time, if I use cat greater than abc.txt, if I write abc in place of welcome, I am replacing with what? abc. What does it mean? Content is override.
ABC,
Only ABC you may contain. Only ABC you may contain. You never contain welcome. You never contain welcome and ABC. That's what override. Some people may call override, meaning is different, but here not override, override, WRIT. I hope you got the clarity. Suppose if I go with cat double greater than xyz dot txt, please try to understand. I given welcome. Maybe control D, again cat double greater than xyz dot txt. Here I am giving ABC. If I give cat space xyz dot txt, you may get welcome and ABC. Are you agree with me? Are you agree with me? What does it mean? What does it mean? I'm trying to give the definition. Output, redirection with append. Output redirection with append. You know the meaning of append? At the end, we are adding the content. Karthi, got the clarity? I'll show you practical
Yes, sir.
also. Now my question is, see, cat with the file name, cat with xyz.txt. In the same way, assume cat less than xyz.txt. Is there any difference or both are same? Here I am asking to you. Maybe this is not necessary, but here is space is mandatory. Cat less than xyz.txt. What is the output I may get here? Welcome, ABC, ABC. Here is also you may get same output copy. Welcome, ABC. But observe here, without using less than also am I getting output, right? What does it mean in the sense less than represents input redirection. Now very simple note I am giving greater than and double greater than for output for output for output redirection. Got it or not? For less than or space. For less than or space. We are not giving anything, right? Anything, right? What is that? For input redirect. Got the clarity? Or shall I give the example?
Yes, sir.
I hope example is needed or not. Based on your response, I can go for that. Or else I may go to
Sir,
advance.
less than the చూపియండి sir
Yes,
example.
I'll show it. Just see cat greater than abc.txt. Because of I want to show less than, I want to create, right? Welcome. Control D. Content is there or not? We need to check. See cat less than abc.txt. My content is visible for you because of a set, right? Input redirection. Cat space abc.txt. Both are same Karthik. There is no difference. You got the clarity?
Yes, sir.
People nowadays they are not using less than. Once upon a time we may use this less than because of they develop like that. Without using less than also we can work with, but rare conditions we may work with less than. In future classes if required, if concept demands, we will go for that less than. Okay, clear or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Good. Now suppose you need to work with Karthik, TR translate. For example, I may give like this, you may understand. Maybe small a to small z. I may go with capital A to capital Z, small a to small z, capital A to capital Z. There I may go with cat, which one abc.txt. There are pipe symbol. We may go in this. See, got it, Karthi? This is one way. This is one way. Which what I did here, I translated wherever lowercase is there, you convert it into uppercase. This is one way, right? Same thing we may do in another way. What is the way here? What is the way here? Just I go for less than. It may work, I think, abc.txt. Now check it, Karthi. Here, even I may try for without less than. It may work. Now it is not working, right, Karthi? Have you understanding or not? That's what I am giving a technical
Yes, sir.
example. Here, what is the meaning? What is the meaning? What does it mean? Input. I am getting input from abc.txt. That input is giving to whom? Translator. Translator, hey, translate. What you want to do? Wherever lower cases are there, that you need to convert it to whom? Uppercase. I hope you got the clarity. This is clear, right? Without giving less than, it won't work out. It won't work out. You may tell, without giving less than you want to work means this is another way. What is the another way? Here, first we are giving the content. One command output is giving to another command as an input is nothing but pipe symbol. There I am using pipe. See, you may don't know how to use less than. What is the simple remedy? What is the remedy, Karthik? Just piping. I hope you got it.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now we are going to our concept. Our concept in the sense Jenkins is started or not? Am I user or not? Now check it on the browser. Now check it on the browser. Got what I said? Here this local host. Which one? Now I took one IP, public IP, right? Am I user or not? Where is that? This one. Now I'm copying this. I'm copying this. After copying, I want to see the password. I want to see the password. How can I see? cat wherever this path is there, this is the path, nothing is there. This is the file path, this is the file name, this is the file name. Whatever it is available, it will show the content. Are they got it or not? Nothing is there here. I am specifying
Yes,
the
sir.
path as well as file name. Whatever it is having, just double click here, copy it. You need to provide here, that's all. Paste it. Now click on continue. Now click on continue. No need to save. This process everybody know, one or two people already struggled with this. If your internet is proper, your system is, everything is fine for you, within 1 minute we may complete 100%. See, within a minute or 2 minutes it may take. Maybe some 50 to 100 or 150, more than 1500 plugins are there, it may install automatically. In future we may install our own plugins. These are the minimal are required. Now it is taking time for 1 or 2 minutes. Meanwhile, if you are having any doubt, try to ask. Here, meanwhile, I may give Jenkins. In interview, they are asking some questions. Maybe before completion of Jenkins, I am giving those questions. You try to concentrate on only those questions. I am giving only 5 to 6 questions. If you know really those 5 questions, Jenkins is sufficient. No need to go for all those concepts. First question, assume question one. Question one, just what is Jenkins? Jenkins, question mark. What is what is what is CIC? I am taking one question only. What is CIC? This is a very, very powerful, very, very important question. Question two. Question two. Do you know master slave architecture? Architecture in Jenkins. Their question they make you different way. How to configure, how to configure master slave architect. Master slave architect. This is very, very important question. Question number three. What is pipeline? What is pipeline? Question mark. Explain. Explain. Here they may ask what are the types of pipelines? All are related to that only. Just you know what is pipeline, what are the types of pipeline. If you got the clarity, that is very, very important. Mainly they may ask like this. Now, question number four. How many plugins plugins have you installed your own? See, at least you need to know minimum 10 plus plugins. 10 plus plugins. At least. Maybe I may try to give nearly 15 plugins. Maybe if you go to internet, they may give some more also. There also, if you are having difficulty, you try to ask me, I may clarify. These are the these are the mainly asking questions. Only four questions. Rarely asking other questions. Rarely asking maybe fifth questions I make. How to work with how to work with multi-branch pipeline. Pipeline. One more at the last. Question six. Question six. How to work with env variables, environment variables or parameters. Parameters. This is the rarely asking question, but anyway, this is also good question. Out of 5 interviews, they're asking at least 1 or 2 interviews. But every interview, first question is mandate. Every interview, at least second question is mandatory. Up to three compulsory questions. After completion of these three only, they may go for. If you are fulfill answers for this, then only they may move to question 4 and question 5 and question 6. Really, if you know all these 6 questions, you no need to learn other concepts. You no need to learn other concepts. I hope you got the clarity. Here, at least we know what is CICD. Little bit, maybe tomorrow class or day after tomorrow class, we may go with master slave architecture. Master slave architecture. After that, after 1 or 2 classes, I may concentrate minimum 3 days, minimum three classes on pipeline only. Pipeline. If you want to work with pipeline, Groovy, Groovy DS. Here, here no need to learn Groovy. If you know it good, Groovy based on Java only. Just like, just like, just like JavaScript. Just like JavaScript. Unless some people know JavaScript. If you don't know, no need to learn. If you know it, that is good for us. Our feeling is very effective. Okay, already I know this. There also I may use echo statement only many times. There also I may use print statement only. You know already echo, you know already print statement, how to work with them. Because of Groovy supports echo and print. There you go through internet, there you type, for example, Groovy, Groovy script. See, Groovy. Where is Groovy? Let me take first one. See, here also very simple, just like even Python, right? Similarly, that's what industry people nowadays, everybody learning Python. Even they are also asking, do you know Python? Within a week, we'll take into our company. If you don't know Groovy, they may uh, think other tools. You know Terraform properly, you know some other Kubernetes properly. If you know either Groovy or Python, they can very easily take it. Why? Because you know at least language fundamentals. Now just localhost. Where is that? Where is that? We installed right here, I think. Yes, we got username. There I am giving admin. As I said right, we are the learners. We don't forget passwords, those things. ADMIN. Again, ADMIN. Full name I am giving again admin. Even my email address. Maybe I am giving Pati, Dev something. There send and connect. See, this is my IP. This is my IP. 65 to 23. Just age. Finish. There start using Jenkins. Same look and feel, you may get it. There is no difference. Here also new item. Today we'll see just my first job. My first job I given. There are freestyle project. There also I'm clicking OK. Here I want to print date and time. Maybe yesterday class also printed date and time, right? Anyone can guide me? Build steps. There. Yesterday we took executable Windows batch command. Today we are taking execute shell. Execute shell. Now guide me how to print. Already you know how to print date and time, right? Here I am going to Linux from. Now tell me how to print. Today date is, current time is, I want to get like this. Anyone respond? I want to get today date is, the current time is, like that I want to get. based on your response and apply. Generally, date, it is timed out. Here, 4 point maybe 59 seconds. If you wait, it is timed out. After 10 seconds, if you press enter, it may re-enter. It is in, you may think sleeping mode or you may think timed out. Now up arrow, enter it. Again, you need to apply sudo hyphen I. Now, date. I got date. I want to get time. Anyone respond? How can I get time? Please respond. I want to see own
Date
uh,
count.
date. Next, I want to see the time, current time.
Percentage
Date, percentage,
D. Sir, T,
D,
sir.
T.
For,
So,
sir.
something
For
missed, I
time,
think.
T, sir.
Okay, time T. Capital T or small t? Your wish, tell me. Capital T or small t?
Small T, sir.
Okay, small t. See, I entered what it is saying. Invalid date percentage. See, date plus percentage. Even you said T, right? I am giving capital T. Check it here. Am I getting Karthi? In
Yes, sir.
Linux, if you want to work with Linux, very, very important. You need to remember the syntax as well as proper syntax only. Otherwise, it won't work. Capital D represents C, time. This is the date. D represents date, and which represents T represents time. Now my intention is you want to print like this. Echo the current date, current today date, right? Today date colon, today date colon. I want to print date here. Suppose if I give date, it won't work, Karthi. It won't work. Check it here. I may get today date only, right? I want to print date. You need to give variable command substitution. How to apply command substitution? Dollar sign, open brace, that is the brace, and that is the brace. Here is the open brace, closing brace. Now check it here. Today date. I want to get only date, right? Plus percentage symbol. What is that? Capital D, right? This is the way we need to use. Have they got it or not? This is nothing but command substitution. Markonda sir, I think already explained or not such a mechanism. Is it clear for you? In the same
Yes,
way, the
sir.
current time I want to display. Current time. Here I am using current time. At least you tell me CURRENT. Current time colon. Now just the modification. What is the modification here? Just you need to give capital T. That's all, right? See the current time. Through Jenkins, I want to get it. See, Jenkins won't do anything. Jenkins is the interface only. Whatever you say, Jenkins will say, I can interact with the specific tool. I am also tool. I don't know anything. But through me only, you can get the output. Who is saying? Jenkins is saying. Now for that, I am going to connect here. Now where is that our browser? Within the browser tab only there. Here I think. Yes. Now what I am doing is echo today today date today date colon. You know what I need to give? Karthi, tell me. Dollar sign. There I need to give date
Date
plus
plus
percentage
percentage
D.
D.
Are you agree with me? That's all. In the same way, echo. Even see, after some time you want to see the output, right? Even I am giving SLEP, sleep of just 100 seconds. Sleep of 100 seconds. I want to see the output of echo current current time colon, again dollar sign. It is the date space plus after that percentage T. Got it or not? Yes. Now just save this. Just save this and you try to build now. Once you build it, you make it first build. Say I'm going to here. I'm going to console out. See, date is printed. After 100 seconds only, you may get time. After 100 seconds only, you may get time. At least if you know minimum 100 to 150 Linux commands, our usage is very easy. Because of same commands repeatedly we may use for 2.5 months. I may use several commands. For each command, I may explain clearly. I hope till now you got the clarity. Your advantage for you is Markunda sir may explain one way. At least you may get 80% knowledge. After that, I may enhance those comments. Even in the same way, I may give up to 98%. At least 2% he may enhance. It is waiting only. Sleep is nothing but it is waiting for once 100 seconds is over, then only we can see the output. Internally output already there. Sometimes we may go with sleep method. Task 1 completion is, once task 1 is properly completed, then only we can move to task 2. At that time, it is very important. I think everybody know how to install, how to configure Jenkins in Linux server. How to configure? Okay. This is success, right? This is success. See, I'm giving a small scenario for you. Same way, try to install Ubuntu in your system. Try to install Ubuntu in your system. Just go for browser. I think here only there. Here only there. There click on Jenkins. Here, just go for one step back. Go for one step back. Think I am moving one step back. Here, see what it is there. There Ubuntu and Debian. Click on here. There you may get some different command. Check it here. Just see somewhere sudo apt get. I given in my just there. I written somewhere. Check it here. M is the package manager for Linux. APT is the package manager for Ubuntu. Everybody try for this. Everybody try for this. Tomorrow morning, once again I may do. I may install Jenkins on Ubuntu. Jenkins on Ubuntu. Okay. Till now, anybody facing any difficulty, please respond. You know how to create a job. Even after this, you may try for what you need to try. What you need to try. Even I am expecting from your side. Just Jenkins is already installed. Okay. After installing Jenkins, what will you do? You may create a job. You may create a job. On that job, step one, assume. Step one, you need to go for Git. After that, you need to go for number two is Maven configuration. Maven configuration. Number three, you need to go for which one? Within the Maven configuration, you need to compile and you need to go for package. You need to go for package. Step four is you need to deploy to container. You know, right? Already we did it. Deploy to deploy to container. What is the container means? In the Tomcat server. In the Tomcat server. Same strategy, you may try it. If not possible, tomorrow morning we may see all these things. And tomorrow morning, regularly 7 to 8 class or 6 to 7 for you. Regularly 7 to 8 only, right? 7 to 8 or 7:30 to 8:30. Karthi, what is the morning time class?
7 to 8, sir.
Okay, tomorrow, next week, this week in the sense 7 to 8, I may continue. Morning sessions, I may continue. Evening sessions, 6 to 7, Markonda sir will continue. Evening 6 to 7, maybe from today, from hereafter, 6 to 7, Mark. Morning time, Lakshmi. I hope. Maybe your duty is you need to attend either 7 to 8 or 6 to 7, but faculty will change here because of Markonda sir, night duties are there. Up to 5:30 he will continue. After that, he may go for. Okay. From tomorrow, 7 to 8, who will take? I will take. In 7 to 8 class, we need to go for Git configuration. We need to go for Maven configuration. We need to go for Tomcat installation. Those things we will see. Please mute it. Please mute it. Okay, here up to this, anybody facing any difficult ask me. Otherwise, we will end the session. Tomorrow morning, we may connect. We will try to continue those things. Please try to note these questions. Note down these questions. Somewhere I written right. Here I written only if you know very well about these 6 questions are sufficient. Okay. Anyway, I will go here, maybe here or there, maybe extra things also. That is not sufficient. Interview purpose, these questions only 98% they may ask. Karthi, till now clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Remaining things we'll see tomorrow morning at 7 to 8. You will try for how to install in Ubuntu server, how to install Tomcat. Or at least everybody must have. I think, do you have AWS account? If you don't know, please take either debit card or credit card. Even that to Visa and Master. Visa and Master. Rupee card will not work. Rupee card will not work. Everybody try for that. Even that too you don't know. Tomorrow I'll show you how to create an account for any one person. If you are having debit card or credit card. Okay, thank you. If you are having any doubt, ask me. Otherwise, we are winding the session.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome, welcome.